from Naturally Green. Today I'll take you around to my garden and tell you how different products of Naturally Green can be used. In the different videos, we'll talk about different products that Naturally Green has, like organic manure, coco peat, vermicompost, Epsom salt, rock phosphate, silicon, boron, amino acid, for growth, seaweed granules, seaweed powder, humic powder. The different products, all organic, no chemical, that Naturally Green has. Quality is assured, and we are sure that customers are happy by using our products and they get the best outcome by using our product. You can see the live example in my own terrace garden, where I have around 600 to 700 plants in total. And from this small plant I keep adding different plants. Make from the sapling, I add again, make a plant, keep giving people, and they're very happy by using the organic products that we have. My plants are happy, and actually let me tell you, they talk to me. They express their feelings. It's very important to have this connect with your plant. We will talk about rock phosphate. So rock phosphate, let me tell you, is the most common organic fertilizer that is used for plants. It has a lot of phosphorus. It is good for the growth of the plant. So this is what is rock phosphate. It has slow release long-term sustenance of plants. It has high micronutrients and organic matter. This is how rock phosphate looks like. It can be applied to the overall garden at a time of the initial soil preparation, or can be sprinkled when transplanting starts or increase the development of roots. Used to remove acidity of the soil. It is environment friendly. As a natural source of phosphorus, it helps to avoid use of inorganic fertilizers. It helps in improving the structure and water holding capacity. So if the pot is planted, I'll tell you how to use it. Just make a hole like this. Add a pinch of rock phosphate and cover it. Okay, after this, after half an hour, you have to use it. Also, if you want, you can just sprinkle it. The price of rock phosphate is 99 rupees a kilo. After sprinkling, ensure that you water after half an hour and not immediately, because any organic product that you put to the plant needs time to establish. So you have to give them that space, and after half an hour you can water. Please don't overwater, don't underwater, but ensure that adequate amount of water is there for the plant. So rock phosphate helps shiny leaves, better plant, root enhancement, and the development of the plant, the overall development of the plant. My plants are happy by the organic nutrients that they're receiving, and so am I. I'm sure you'll be happy using our products. Website is www.naturallygreenindia.com. Like the video, subscribe to the channel for more such videos. Thank you.